Hello everyone, my name is Manjunath and welcome to React Beginner series. In this series, I'll be teaching you all the things which you need to know about React and we'll start from basics, then we'll try to move into advanced as we move forward. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please put it in the comment box saying you want this series to be continued so that I'll also get inspired to create more videos. So without delay, let's get into computer and let's learn some React. So first of all, let's just go to our Google buddy and in Google, we'll just type React. And when you type this particular thing, you'll get, first of all, let me just move myself a little bit this side. Okay. So you'll get this React website. When you go to React website and click on Learn React and scroll a little bit, it will show you some code snippet that what and all you need to do certain things. But let's just try to click on this installation and it will explain you certain things saying React is not meant to be a framework itself. It is supposed to be a simple library and in order to make React one proper web application, you need to install lots of things. So they are just telling you install something like Next.js or something like that. There used to be some place which used to tell that, but I don't know. Okay, there you go. If you just click on this start a new project, you'll be able to see here saying you can use something like Next.js, Remix.js or Gatsby. Some of these frameworks I already have done videos and you may check them out. But in this video, we just want to purely learn React. We don't want to learn something like Next.js, which has its own concept. So using such thing is going to make our React learning process little bit complicated. So what do? We can just go to Google again and we can search for wheat. And this particular thing will let us install React on our system locally and use it. But first of all, before doing any of these things, just make sure you have Node.js installed. Just go to nodejs.org and here you will be able to download latest LTS version of Node.js. And obviously, as I always say, you need to have VS Code installed. It is Visual Studio Code, not Visual Studio or some other editor. So just make sure you'll just go to VS Code website and you will download it for Windows or any other platform if you're on other platform. Then I think that would be it. Once you have done it, you can directly go and check if you have Node.js installed or not by typing node -- version. And it is showing you saying Node.js is installed and it is 20.11.1. Your version might be different. It doesn't matter really. Just make sure you have downloaded the latest version. Now, if I just go here and type npm -- version, this also should display some things. Yeah, so that means Node.js is properly installed. After that, I'll just close this particular thing and just create one folder in your laptop. And once it's created, just right click on it and click on open in terminal. And that time it will make sure it is opened in that particular folder itself. And once it's done, I'll just go to Wheat website and let's just build our React project. I'll click on get started. And if you scroll a little bit down, it will give you the command which you need to run in order to start the project. It's very simple command. Just type npm create wheat at latest. So I'll just type it npm create wheat at latest. So once it will do its thing, we'll be able to name the project and we can just name it as hello React. And once that is done, it is going to ask what kind of project you want to create. I'll just click on React project and it's going to ask us for selecting whether it wants TypeScript and other things. I'll just select JavaScript and click enter. So that creates our React project. Once that is done, just close this particular thing and click on this particular folder and right click show more option and open with the code. Once that is done, you will see your code editor properly here. And let me just make myself smaller. And once that is done, you can click on 3-dot button here and click on new terminal. And here we can run this particular project. But before running it, we need to type one command, that is npm command, that is npm I. Very simple command. And let me just make this particular screen little bit large so that you can see it. So it is going to install certain things. So that took a couple of seconds, and it might take a little bit more also depending upon your laptop power. So once that is done, I can just type npm run dev, and this is going to run the project in port 5173. But we want to change the port before we do anything. So just go to vite config, and in here just type server, and inside the server you can type a port, and I'll just change the port to 3000. And if I just save it, it's going to immediately reload it, and it's going to run the project in port 3000. And I'll just open this particular port, and now we can see the React project is running. In next video we are going to write some component in this particular thing, but at the moment if you go to localhost 3000, you should be able to see this particular project, and in next video we'll learn more about React. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.